We are pleased to show you the 2023 Outlander. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.